Hello guys, I'm gonna show you some of the grocery items that my sister buy. And let's open here this here in this refrigerator. This is the small refrigerator. Let us see if what are the items. What this is chicken, two chicken, and this one is ice cream. We put here, these are the flavor. The flavor cookies and cream and double dutch. Look, it's real ice cream, and we already taste it. It's delicious ice cream, and some are orange. I'll just put here in the old ref, in our old ref, because we have so many things already in there, so that we can also use this old ref of ours. And now we will go into some items in our new refrigerator. Look guys, this is our new refrigerator, and let us see first the frozen for the freezer. Because it's already frozen, we will put, these are the shrimps. It's like medium size. It's not the smallest size, medium I think. And this is the, I think it's a beef, and this one is empty ice chase. I think, I know it's not chase, ice box. And this one is the beef also, bones. We usually cook this or use it soup, beef soup, if it's bone. And this also is beef. We can use this for mixing vegetable and or some other recipe, or beef steak. And these are the chicken. We can also use this for fried chicken or adobo, or any kinds of recipe. And these are the hot dogs that my sister ordered, because her son likes hot dog. That's why he buy it. And this is also french fries, because his son likes french fries. And we can save this, and the expiry date is November 2025. So we can use this as long as it's still in the freezer. And this one is the nuggets, chicken nuggets. They like chicken nuggets. So these are the foods inside in our new refrigerator, guys. Look, this in this, don't use please use ice scraper. It means don't use the matutulis na bagay. Char. Tagal. Don't use the, after we open the freezer, we're going to open the after we open the freezer, we're going to open the chiller down there. So let's try to open what we put there, because my sister ordered many vegetables. These are cabbage, I think it's cabbage, and these are, look guys, this are new rep. This is the one we operate. This is we choose because we want a freezer. Some new rep are not free, don't have freezer, they only have chiller. So in this down here in the we have a chiller. So here is cabbage. She buy cabbage. She buy Chinese pechay. These are Chinese. This is Chinese pechay. Look, it's really fresh. Chinese pechay, cabbage. She ordered this because she want his son eat vegetables and also fruits. This is apples, fresh apples, and fresh grapes. Look, so yummy, fresh grapes. I like these fruits, kind of fruits. Fresh grapes, and then mango. This is I really love mangoes. So fresh mango, so yummy. And this is radish. Look, we usually put this on chicken soup and beef soup. And this one is carrots. We also use this for mixing chicken, like stupado or kari-kari or many kind of recipe. Any kind of recipe, it's depend if how we cook. And then this is also yako, because my sister want to see what she ordered and what we received in the delivery. So lately we received this item, grocery item. So these are the foods that she ordered, and the other one is not. That's the only food that she ordered and we put inside the ring. So some other are we are going to unbox. So we're going to continue to open the grocery items that she ordered. Okay. There you go, guys. Here are the items that she also ordered, the additional items, and it's already inside the box. So we're going to open this right now so that we will know if what she ordered, if it's complete, because so that his son will going to eat this food, because some of this she ordered are foods, so she want her son eat. Nice. There's some, and some this one are not food. They use this for additional. It's like alcohol. We are using this alcohol, shampoo. Look. So okay, guys, I will going to open this unboxing in another video. Okay.